So I grew up with my mom. It was just me and my mom and my younger sister. And as a teenager, my mom got married and she had two other kids. She had started building to her family, and it just felt like it wasn't a place for me any longer. There was domestic violence. So the first time they left, I was 14. I learned my no very early. My no about violence and someone being physically or verbally abusive to me. It was something that I didn't tolerate. And I didn't mind being without, a soft bed and food and being able to just take care of my personal hygiene. I would rather deal with those challenges than to have someone to physically be abusive. So I left and became a homeless teen, I guess you could say. Sometimes you're just thrown out there in a world that, you have to discover on your own. So, I met people, and I've had places where I just, I get tired, so I would just go to sleep. I went to sleep inside of, on this playground. And then when the trains run at night, I would be on the trains. I really feel like I had an angel on my side. There are a number of circumstances where people, have no choice. There were so many teen girls who come up dead. They were associated with pimps. There's a number of teens in the strip clubs. There's a lot that can happen in areas of poverty where people just take advantage of the vulnerable folks.